You can create a new folder by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop and choosing Create New Folder. Your new folder will appear, but it won't have a title. You can fix this by clicking inside the title area and typing what you want the folder to contain. I simply want my folder to contain subfolders for each month of the year. Click on your folder to open it. From here, you can create 12 folders by right-clicking and selecting Create New Folder. I've sped up the film for time purposes. If you look at your folders in list view, you'll see that your computer will automatically alphabetize them. We can trick the computer into listing the folders in date order. Here's how. Right-click on each folder and select Rename. Then put the number of the month in front of the name. In list view, all your folders will now be in chronological order. Click on a folder to open it and put files inside of it.